The official invitation for the G20 summit in New Delhi, under India's presidency, referred to the President of India as President of Bharat, sparking controversy. There has been no government explanation for this change, causing confusion. Constitutionally, the term President of Bharat does not conform to Article 52, which designates the President as President of India. While Article 1 mentions India, that is Bharat, it is a clarifying statement, not an interchangeability of names. The use of Bharat alongside India in official communication could create confusion and contradicts India's official name, the Republic of India. Changing the country's name should not be a political agenda but require consensus. The newfound anti-colonial exuberance contradicts the idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the G20's motto under India's presidency.
The adoption of science-based technologies like genetic engineering for developing genetically modified (GM) crops is essential to address global food and nutritional security challenges under a changing climate. To achieve self-reliance in food production, there is a need for GM crops with enhanced yields and adaptability. Currently, 72 countries have adopted GM crops, benefiting over 1.95 billion people and contributing to economic gains of $224.9 billion. India, facing a deficit in edible oils, has approved the release of GM mustard hybrid DMH11, which promises higher yields and domestic oil production. This move can enhance farmers' incomes, reduce imports, and promote self-reliance in agriculture.
The Indian government's secrecy around the upcoming 5-day special session of Parliament, starting on 18th September, has raised concerns among opposition parties. The government did not consult with them before calling the session, and only the agenda for the opening day is known, which includes a bill to change the appointment process of the Chief Election Commissioner and election commissioners. The listed debate also raises intrigue as it may be a farewell to the current Parliament building, designed by Sir Herbert Baker and Sir Edwin Lutyens, inaugurated in 1927. The lack of transparency and dialogue between the government and opposition has fueled speculation and concerns.
The sudden arrest of former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and TDP leader N. Chandrababu Naidu has had unexpected political consequences. It has led to the formation of an opposition alliance in the state, countering the ruling YSRCP's strategy to isolate the TDP. While YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy has focused on welfare schemes, criticism mounts over industrial investment and slow progress in capital development. The TDP's recent electoral victories and the possibility of a BJP alliance make Jagan's path more challenging. Naidu's arrest has altered the political landscape, leaving the BJP somewhat isolated and making TDP's return to the NDA unlikely.
Kerala is grappling with its fourth outbreak of the Nipah virus, a deadly zoonotic illness. The recent cases, which include 2 deaths, have raised concerns about the frequent recurrence of the virus in the state. Nipah virus, transmitted from bats to humans, has a high mortality rate. The state government is taking measures to contain the outbreak, but questions remain about the source of the virus and the need for better surveillance and response mechanisms. Experts emphasize the importance of identifying the spillover mechanism to prevent future outbreaks and the establishment of biosafety level 4 testing labs.